Oh, hey, welcome to my sink. We are going to take the first step that you need to take with a brand new Yosukata wok. Before you season it, before you do anything else, you need to wash this following the instructions that they give you in this little booklet here. First of all, why is this important? Well, this is raw iron, which means it can rust if you don't season it properly. And there's also a video on this online that you can find from in the booklet here. Okay, step 1, wash both sides with hot soapy water using a non-metallic scouring pad. The next step is to dry it out with paper towels. You can use a regular towel for this, but be warned that it might rub off some of this metallic residue. So hence the use of disposable paper towels. That way you don't have to worry about any stains. This is why this is important to do the first time you use this before you season the wok. Check out my paper towel. I do have some dingy, dirty spots on there. This is normal and this is okay. If you see that, you're gonna repeat step 1. Just wash it with that hot soapy water again, dry it out again with the paper towel. Once it comes clean, then you're ready to move on to the seasoning step. And that's it. That's how you wash your Yosukata before you season it, before you do anything else. Get it nice and clean so you can start cooking things up.